How to turn on wake screen notification on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snap. Then when your Snap is opening, you go here and open your profile. Then go to settings here and click. Then go to notification and click again. Then you go down until you found wake screen. You will turn on wake screen by clicking here like this on this icon, and now it will work on you on your Snap, of course. And that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.